Alright, what is up YouTube? Today is a trading recap as you can see. Um took two trades today. Hold up before we get into it. The date. Today is March 7th, which is Tuesday. Fuck. Yo, it's not March, bro. Hold up, bro. It's April. It's April. Wait, let me check the date. Yeah, it's April 7th. My bad. My bad. That's on me. Alright. Session. We traded a New York session. Uh, we both the trades, you can see them right here, both on micro and mini S&P. And our daily buys at first was bearish, but then it became bullish. Let me just show you what I was thinking. So on the daily, as you can see, we actually just broken structure after this huge downtrend that we had. And today was we moved down, but so I think it was a little retracement or something. On the 4-hour, at the time, we did break structure right here before market opened. On the 1-hour, we were in also a downtrend. So uptrend, downtrend, downtrend. That's what we were seeing. And so that's like pointing, alright, we're probably moving down. Let's get a little closer view, see what we might think. Well, damn, bro, what the hell? It's little, little little Drake candle right there being made. Alright, so previous session moved up, as we can see. And then broken structure like it was in an uptrend at the beginning of the session, and then mid sesh it broken structure to the downside and then went into the downtrend. So as we could see there, it's probably going to continue in the next session. So I'm like, all right, bearish, that's the beginning. But after we sweep London lows, which is this blue line, Asia lows are the red line, which already got swept. But blue line, boom, gets swept. That means we'll switch to a bullish bias. Let's go over here. So market opens, immediately comes down. What the hell did I just move? I just moved something. Doesn't matter. Alright, market immediately moves down, comes up for a retracement, and I'm like, alright, well, we haven't actually hit London lows yet, so I'm guessing we're probably going to keep moving down until we hit London lows, so I'll enter and just put my TP, like, next to London lows, maybe a little more, because, I don't know, it goes usually down a decent amount. So, this was a really bad entry trade. It wasn't a bad trade in general, but it was just, I feel like we could have entered a lot higher. So, as you can see here, we came up into the order block, it's 15-minute order block, 5-minute equilibrium, 5-minute or 15-minute equilibrium too. And then we came down and we inversed right here, inversed fair value gap with this one. And I should have entered after it was down here, but I wanted to wait till it closed, so I waited till it closed and I entered right here on this candlestick, kind of lower. So it wasn't like I just didn't want to have my TP all the way down. I didn't think it would go this far. I thought I was gonna like come down maybe and just like then reject into longs. So yeah, that's that trade. It was pretty slow trade. I made around $45.60. Not crazy. Nothing much. And then the second trade, I'm like, all right, well we just swept, so I'm guessing we're probably gonna start moving up. Let's go on the 1 minute and wait for inverses. And we didn't really see anything for long. And then we saw this candle is okay. Here, let me move this for a second. So see, this is like a wick. Before, it was like a full candle. Like it was like all the way up here, and it was inversing this right here. So I'm like, oh shit. I think we're about to. We just inverse. So I entered off of that. But then right after I entered, it went down. I'm like, oh shit. I might be cooked. And it just sat and like draw down for a minute, and then it came up and hit TP right here. It hit it right here. It says right here, but it actually didn't. I think it was like one up. Hit right here for $70. So total profit like 112, I think 112, 115. I don't know. But yeah, that was pretty much everything. What I could have done better in the first trade, better entry, so I could have got better TP. like take profit. And then second one, maybe just like be a little more patient and wait. Like I could have waited till enter down here. And I don't really know. That's pretty much it. I feel like I did decently well. After market closed at around 11, it did move down below these lows, which I'm kind of surprised that it actually went that far down. I'm surprised it kept moving down after sweeping. I don't usually see that. But then it rejected up and changed into an uptrend. But yep, that's today's trading recap. Oh, news. 5:30 a.m. core durable goods and durable good orders did absolutely nothing. I'm not even going to show it. It did nothing. And yeah, that's literally everything. So we won both our trades today. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow or whenever I do my next trading recap. And yep, see you guys.